Hi guys, so on this trade we're on the Euro USD 15 minute and I've just seen the signals line up to enter into a sell trade, and we see price has just moved below this resistance line here and everything else is set up properly, and I have everything set up here to take my sell trade. So let's do that. Here I am, my stop loss is up here. I've got my targets set. So let's give this trade a bit of space or room to breathe. I'll come back in a short while. Right, I'm back. It's been a few hours, but I see that price nearly came down or just nearly hit my take profit level and then has bounced back and has retraced again back down towards my target level, and very close to that, still in a bearish direction. And I'm just going to wait for it to play out a little bit more. We're already in $1,000 profit, and let's just be patient here. Okay, I'm back again, and we can see that this trade has played out nicely, and it's been over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just over 6 hours, and we've made $1,410 off this trade. Very happy with that. Trade was never in any danger. Price went straight down, eventually hit our target. Excellent profit. Thanks guys for watching.